Welcome back, Cyber Explorers. It's Alfie, and in this video we'll explore together with this step-by-step guide how to open File Explorer to this PC in Windows 10. So without further ado, let's get right into it. Open File Explorer by clicking the File Explorer icon in the taskbar, or press Windows key plus E on your keyboard to open File Explorer. Click on the File tab in the top corner of the File Explorer window, and select Change Folder and Search Options from the drop-down menu. In the Folder Options window, under the General tab, you'll see a setting labeled Open File Explorer 2. Use the drop-down menu to select this PC. Click Apply and then OK to save your changes. Now whenever you open File Explorer, it will default to this PC instead of Quick Access. And that's it for today. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, consider subscribing, and don't forget to activate the notification bell so you won't miss out on any new uploads. Thank you for watching. Until next time, see you later.